Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show did you know YouTube lets you search old videos by exact dates. Open the YouTube app on your phone, tap the search icon and search for your desired topic. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Search Filters. Choose from available filters, such as today, this week, this month, or this year. For an exact date range, open Google Chrome on your phone. In the search bar, type siteyoutube.com followed by your topic, for example, siteyoutube.com tech. Tap Search. Tap the three-dot menu in Chrome. Select Desktop Site. Wait for the page to reload. Click Tools at the top of the Google search results. Click Anytime. Select Custom Range. Enter your preferred start date and end date. Click Go or Apply. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.